Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create an image gallery in WordPress. We will be doing this with Divi's gallery module, which gives you both grid and masonry layouts for a clean and modern design. If you want to follow along and try Divi at a great price, check the link in the description. Start by opening the page where you want the gallery to appear. Click Edit with Divi to launch the visual builder. Once inside, add a new section and insert a row. A single column row usually works best for galleries. Next, click the plus icon and search for the gallery module. Add it to your row. By default, the module will be empty, so click on Add Images. You can upload new images from your computer or select existing ones from the media library. After choosing your images, click Add to Gallery. Now go to the gallery settings. Under Layout, you can choose between grid or masonry. Grid will keep your images in neat rows and columns, while masonry arranges them in a more natural collage style. Switch between them and pick the one that looks best for your site. From here, you can control how many images show, whether to add pagination, and if you want images to open in a lightbox when clicked. The lightbox option allows visitors to view a larger version of each image without leaving the page. Move over to the Design tab to customize the style. You can adjust the spacing between images, change the borders, round the corners, or add hover effects. If your images have captions, you can style the text with custom fonts and colors to match your site. You can even add shadows or animations to make the gallery feel more dynamic. If you want your gallery to look good on all devices, check the responsive options. Here you can control how many images display per row on desktops, tablets, and phones. This makes sure the gallery always looks professional no matter what screen size your visitors are using. Once you are happy with your design, click the green checkmark to save the module. Then save the page and exit the builder. Refresh the page, and you will now see your new image gallery displayed in either grid or masonry layout depending on the option you chose. This is a simple and effective way to showcase photos, portfolios, or collections on your WordPress website using Divi's gallery module. If you want to try Divi at a great price, remember to use the link in the description.